Klavierunterricht Haltern, Guido here, hello. Welcome to part number 3 of Interstellar main theme. Probably my favorite part because you have these nice full harmonies. Very good for stretching a little bit. Let's say you are a very busy person and you want to save some time. I will show you some shortcuts that might work for you. First thing is, I would break the pattern. First, of course, you have to understand it. You see, okay, 2 times, next one, and so on. Then I would go I changed the order, I changed the length of the patterns, even the inner patterns, and I also changed the articulation from legato to staccato. This is also very helpful to loosen your tension, you see. If you're doing one thing all the time, you get fatigued very soon. Of course, I wouldn't do all these things together. I just wanted to demonstrate what you can do to bring in some variety. You will probably notice you learn faster when you did these little things. Your right hand hasn't got that much to do. It's all octaves. First thing I would suggest, learn how an octave feels. That's very important because you cannot check both your thumb and your pinky all the time together with your left hand. So when you know how the octave feels, you just have to give your thumb a brief view from time to time if necessary, and your pinky will follow. And again here, variation, don't look all the time. Look somewhere else, close your eyes. In my case, I just have to remove my glasses and now it's all like behind a waterfall. And again, that's a bit of a help, but let's say you have no glasses, just change your perspective, don't look all the time, and you will see that will help save time. You can bring some arpeggio in the octaves if you like. But please don't do that randomly because you don't care. Really decide, do you want to do that, yes or no? And maybe even more important, don't do anything ever by default. So really think what sounds better with this composition. In my case, I think I would prefer the clean, accurate octaves because it has this bell, a chime-like character. Very sweet. But that depends on the player. I hope that was inspiring. See you back for the next part. Goodbye.